Gusto niyo bang maging isang Pollution Control Officer or PCO? Pagka ang sagot nyo ay oo, ang gagawin nyo po ay tatlong bagay. Number 1, kailangan nyo pong umattend ng 5-day basic training course for Pollution Control Officer hosted by an EMB accredited PCO training institution. Pagka binigyan kayo ng certificate of completion, gagamitin nyo po yung certificate of training niyan para mabigyan kayo ng certificate of accreditation along with other requirements. Pangalawa, kailangan nyo pumunta doon sa online application system for PCO accreditation. Pwede nyong i-search yan sa inyong favorite internet browser. Halimbawa sa Google or sa Safari, kahit saan mang internet browser. Type nyo lang yung pco.emb.gov.ph. Gumawa kayo dyan ng iyong profile o yung account at gagamitin nyo yan sa pag-submit ng mga requirements gaya ng certificate of completion issued by EMB accredited training institution for PCO and managing head training. At kapag naipasa nyo na yung mga requirements kagaya ng certificate of PCO training, affidavit of undertaking, we have also the affidavit or appointment letter as PCO at saka yung certificate of employment, resume or transcript of records at iba't iba pang mga requirements. Syempre proof of payment amounting to 500 pesos. Ang pangatlo, yung pong para ma-accredit as Pollution Control Officer, makita nyo yung pong accreditation ninyo sa system na approve. Well, you can submit your requirements, your applications, pero kung hindi tayo qualified sa i-represent natin na establishment, hindi kayo mabibigyan ng certificate of accreditation. So ano ang dapat tandaan? Pangatlo, yung application ninyo ay malaman nyo muna kung anong category ang establishment, and kung ito ay pasok sa category A, dapat qualified tayo unang-una doon sa ating educational attainment at saka sa mga relevant work experience. So in short, pangatlo dyan, kailangan makareceive talaga kayo ng certificate of accreditation para yun ang patunay na accredited na kayo ng DNR EMB, at magsisimula yan doon sa pag-determine nyo kung qualified kayo sa base sa category ng establishment na i-represent ninyo. Meron yung dalawa, category A establishment at category B. At sa ating self interpretation, yung category A, mga low risk establishment, halimbawa dental clinic. Compare mo yan sa category B establishment like hospital. So kung makikita nyo based on the size or based on the services offered or based on capacity, makikita mo na yung categorization. And check nyo kung qualified kayo for category A and category B para ma-approve ang inyong accreditation. So yun lamang yung paraan para ma-accredit as PCO. Thank you.